Parallel combination of capacitor. Parallel combination means three capacitors. Let us say this is one capacitor, this is another capacitor. Let us take the example of three capacitor. This is plus Q, this is minus Q, plus Q, minus Q. Okay, this is three plate. This is C1, C2 plus charge, minus charge. It is connected to a potential difference. See, in parallel, and here you have to note this point. What? In parallel combination of capacitor, positive plate are connected to one point, that is point A. And negative plates, this is the negative plate, is connected to one point, say here B, another point. So this is, you have to note it. The potential of each capacitor is same. Potential of, if this is the potential of the battery, the potential in each battery across in battery will be same, this point, for parallel combination. So charge will be distributed, charge 1, charge 2 and charge 3. So this is the point of distribution, you can say junction. So here you can note total charge on the capacitor. The equivalent charge is equal to charge 1 plus charge 2 plus charge 3, and V, applied voltage, applied potential, is equal to V1, which is also equal to V2, which is also equal to V3, where V1 is the potential voltage across these one, V2 and the voltage across these two, and V3 all are same. This V, all are same. This is for the parallel combination. This we have to note it. The equivalent capacitor, now we have to find out equivalent capacitor as it is. We know Q is equal to, so Q is equal to Q1, or Q is equal to C into V. This is E equivalent. Since V is same, C1 into V1 plus C2 into V2 plus C3 into V3, or C equivalent into V is equal to, this is equal to V, this is equal to V, because V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3, because the voltage across capacitor 1, capacitor 2 and capacitor 3 all are same. So V, this is become C1V plus C2V plus C3V, or we can write C equivalent into V is equal to V into C1 plus C2 plus C3, or we cancelling this V potential. Equivalent capacitor of the parallel combination is equal to summation of the number of the potential, number of the capacitors. Suppose if all capacitors are identical, that is, all capacitors are identical means C1 is equal to C2, is equal to C2, is equal to C3, and so on. See, you can see up to Cn. So the equivalent capacitor for all capacitor connected in parallel can be replaced by a single capacitor. So this can be represented by a single capacitor. So C equivalent this one, and you can say C equivalent is equal to C plus C. If it is all are equivalent means C1, C2, C3 all are equal to C, and so on up to Cn, or it means n times of up to n times. Therefore n into C. So C equivalent equal to n into C. It means capacitors are connected in parallel, its effective capacitance increases, or equivalent capacitor, that is C parallel. We can say C parallel is equal to n into C. Let us have a check. Suppose C1 is equal to 1, C2 is equal to 2 farad. Of course, farad is a big unit. C3 is equal to 3 farad. If it is connected in parallel, the equivalent capacitor is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 6 farad. So C, because C1 plus C2 plus C3, 3 capacitor, 1 plus 2, 3, 6 farad. So the net capacitance, that is equivalent capacitance, get added. So this you have to remember this point and this point. Potential of each capacitor is same. It means this can be converted. See, this is equal to half 6 farad. If there are 3, 1, 2, 3, then this is a and the potential across this will be same, but the charges on individual capacitors will be different. That we can see it by an example we can see it. Numerical. It is connected, 3 capacitors are connected in series. This is first one is 1 microfarad, second is 2 microfarad, third is 4 microfarad. How charges are distributed in different capacitors. We have to find out how charges are distributed. As it is, we know net charge is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. So charge is equal to, here this is Q1, Q2 into Q3. Charges are distributed because at this point. Now you see for the parallel connection, all the positive plates are connected one end and all the negative plates are connected at one end. So what is the charge it is given? Q is equal to 10 microcoulomb is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 1 coulomb. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Now this is a series combination. We can, for series combination, see it is a parallel combination. Effective is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7 microfarad. 7 microfarad. So net capacitance. So in this we can see this can be treated as this one. It is a CP which is equal to 7 microfarad. It is this total 3 combination can be written as a single combination with charge distributed in all the 3 surges and the voltage across it. What is the voltage across it? See, Q is equal to CV and we know C and we have the charge, so V is equal to Q by C. So Q is equal to, what is the charge? Charge is equal to 10 into 10 to Q is equal to CV. Now we want to Q by C, 10 to the power minus 6 divided by C is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is coulomb farad. So potential will be in volt is equal to 10 by 7 volt. So we got the potential. So the same potential is applied here. The potential is equal to 10 by 7 volt. Same potential is applied here also in this capacitor, in this capacitor. Now what he is asking, charge in each capacitor. He has given the total charge on the 3 capacitors. So charge on the 3 capacitors. So we know Q1 is equal to V1 into C1. Since in parallel V1 is equal to V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3 is equal to so is equal to V for parallel combination. So this is equal to V into C1. So voltage is equal to 10 by 7 into C1. C1 is equal to 2 microfarad. So charge 1 is equal to, sorry, first one is 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad. This is 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad. So this is equal to 10 by 7. Now the charge, since charge is coulomb, microcoulomb. So this micro into coulomb. And Q2 is equal to V into C2 because V2 is equal to V2 into C2. V2 is equal to 10 by 7 is V into C2 is equal to, how much is the C2? C2 is equal to 2. It's equal to 20 by 7 microcoulomb. And charge in third one is equal to V into C3 is equal to 4 into that is 10 by 7 into C3 is equal to 4 is equal to 40 by 7 microcoulomb. So it means total charge 10 by total charge. So Q is equal to how much comes? 10 by 7 plus 20 by 7 plus 40 by 7. So 40 by 7, which is equal to 70 by 7 microcoulomb. 77 by microcoulomb is equal to 10 microcoulomb. This is a net charge. We have to remember the charges are distributed in parallel connection and the voltage remains same in all the capacitor in parallel connection.